Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is my implementation of teaching plan and module from Jauharul Jad Al Juhaidi in PTK Rombel 2. So, a network cable is a physical medium that connects devices on a computer network, enabling stable and fast data transmission. This cable serves as a transmission path for electrical signals for copper cables or light for fiber optics between devices such as computers, routers, and switches. Despite the advancements of wireless technology, network cables remain essential due to their reliability and supporting communication and data sharing. So, here are the contents, the learning contents, which is one, computer network cabling standards, and cable types according to network requirements, structure of the network cable. Okay, so what are they? The UTP, or the unshielded twisted pair, consisted of twisted copper wires pairs without shielding. It is inexpensive, flexible, commonly used in home and office networks, but more prone to electromagnetic interference, or EMI. And then there is STP, or shielded twisted pair, similar to UTP but include a shielding layer around the wire parts to reduce EMI or electromagnetic interference and crosstalk. It offers better protections and signal integrity, suitable for environments with high interference, but is more expensive and less flexible. And there is fiber optic, which is it uses glass or plastic fibers to transmit data as pulses of light. It provides very high bandwidth, long distance transmission capabilities, and is immune to electromagnetic interference. It is the most expensive but ideal for high speed and long range communication. Okay, and then there is the function of the RJ45 connector. The RJ45 connector is used to connect network cables to devices like computers, routers, and switches, and it facilitates stable and fast data transmission, makes cable movement and network troubleshooting easier. And then there are the pin functions of the RJ45, which is the first and second pin is used to transmit data, and is the TX plus and TX minus or negative. And there is the third and sixth pins, which is used to receive data, which is the RX plus and the RX negative. And then there are the fourth, fifth, seventh, eighth pins, and it is unused or for additional functions like power over Ethernet or PoE. And then there's the types, cable types based on topology, which is straight through and is used to connect devices of different types like computer to switch. And then there's crossover. Crossover is used to connect devices of the same type, for example, computer to computer. And then there's rollover. It is used to connect devices to console to a console port, which is like the main part, like the, for example, a computer to a router to a router for configuration. And then how does the cables work? The network cables work. They are stripped, and untwisted, and then rearranged in a specific order. For example, the T568A or the T568B standard. The cables are inserted into the RJ45 connector slots, and then a crimping tool presses metal pins inside the connector and onto the wires, ensuring electrical contact. And then the cable jacket is secured inside the connector for strain relief. The connector is then plugged into the Ethernet ports, allowing data signals to pass between devices, and then testing ensures the connection are correct and the cable functions properly. Okay, that is all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.